Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the machine so threading is easy. Raise the presser foot and turn the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its lowest point. This aligns the internal parts. Make sure the needle is the correct type and facing center. This prevents bending. Once done, put your spool on the holder and run the thread through the first thread guides and the tension discs. Do this calmly. Proper alignment now saves time and prevents jams later. Next, engage the automatic threader. Open or lower the threader arm according to your machine model. You should see the tiny hook or latch approach the needle. Guide the thread onto that hook, keeping a short, taut tail, about 1 inch, so the hook can carry it. Then, press or pull the threader lever slowly. Watch the hook move through the needle eye and draw the thread back. If it misses, repeat with the needle centered and maintain steady tension so the thread follows the hook. To finish, gently pull the drawn thread so both ends are behind the presser foot and trim excess if needed. Lower the presser foot and stitch on scrap to confirm. If the automatic threader repeatedly misses, make sure the needle is not bent and is fully seated. Also trim frayed thread and try again. In stubborn cases, replace the needle or clean the threader hook. Lint can block it. One key tip: always use a smooth, straight thread tail and steady tension to make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.